Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are talking about the Nirrom garment steamer. This is a handheld and travel appropriate garment steamer with 1,000 watt power and a voltage of 120. The nice thing about this is it has a 180 milliliter water tank, which means you'll be able to get 4 to 6 garments done over about 15 minutes. It also has a folding design, so the handle folds in, and it comes with a nice travel bag. Let's take a look at what you get. Now, they do include some warranty information here for you. There is an 18-month warranty. All you have to do is use the QR code to be able to activate that. Next, I'm going to show you this nice carrying bag. This is a nice soft travel bag that you can use to carry this garment steamer. And when it comes, it's nicely folded like this. There you can see it. Nice Nirrom logo on the side. And when you're ready to use it, you simply fold it out like so. This is the water tank, and the water tank comes off by pulling straight out and clips in like that. It has a little arrow there that tells you that it's lined up, and an arrow there that matches. So this is that 180 milliliter water tank. It has a nice long cord to a 110 plug. They always recommend for these types of devices to use either purified water or distilled water. That's really important. There's a couple reasons for that. If you're using standard tap water, what ends up happening is the minerals in your tap water will gum up the works on the device, but also they can leave residue on the clothing. So if you're like me and you leave stuff in the dryer too long and it comes out wrinkly, this is a nice option, both because you can steam this way. These are supposed to heat up very quickly within 30 seconds. Or you can actually lay your clothing out on an ironing board and you can steam this way. So it works in both orientations, both as more like an iron or upright as a clothing steamer. So let's do a shirt. Of course, I have plenty of wrinkly shirts. Now, as you can see, I've got our garment steamer here. I'm going to pull the water tank off. And here you can see kind of the inner workings of this. You can see where it clips into the device. And you can also see where this little stopper is for filling the water tank. So we're going to go ahead and open up our distilled water and add some distilled water to the tank. So now that we've got some distilled water in there, we can just go ahead and cover up that stopper. It's a pretty effective stopper. You can see I'm holding it upside down and there's no drips or leaks. So let's get this put back in the garment steamer. Again, aligning those arrows on the top like so. So now we're going to get this plugged in and start steaming a shirt. Now that I have it plugged in, I can show you this indicator light. This red light on the top lets you know it's on. Here is that steamer button, so you can see that there, and once you touch it, it's on, it's ready to go. A little bit of wind today outside, but you can see the steam moving across the screen. So it produces a pretty robust amount of steam there for you. One touch, and it shuts off. So let's go ahead and get some of these pesky wrinkles. Again, I'm going to activate that switch. The travel steamer overall is very lightweight. It's 1.3 pounds and very compact, measuring 6.77 by 2.91 by 8.86 inches, working very well to get these wrinkles to just fall right out of the garment. And again, it folds. It has a 6.6 foot power cord, making it very flexible to be able to plug in wherever you need. It doesn't have a lot of adjustments. It's very simple to use. It just has that one-touch steam control. All it needs is a little bit of traction that you push the button and the steam comes out where you need it. It's really important not to use it next to a wall. For those of you who've ever steamed wallpaper, it's the same kind of idea. So be sure to keep about 8 inches from any wall to prevent damage, and certainly don't touch the edge that's steaming. It's very hot. Otherwise, very, very simple to use. Just be very careful to keep the hand out of the way. Otherwise, it's super easy to use and very fast. Able to get this whole section done in just a matter of seconds. Very, very pleased with this. So we took a shirt that had visible wrinkles that wouldn't be fit to wear and really, really smoothed it out here. So very, very pleased with that. Quick work for my shirt. Once you're done steaming, you want to remove the water that's contained within the tank. So you don't want to leave stagnant water for long periods of time. Certainly short time, no big deal. The other thing to mention here is cleaning. If you do have some residue or buildup, fill it up with some water, a few drops of vinegar, and that'll take care of it. Just shake it up and rinse it out. And that'll take care of any buildup or deposits. So just a mention about the long-term care. Now, once you're done using this, it can be simply folded back up into its travel position. You can dump out that water and put it back in the nice travel bag, keep it protected. Overall, it's a really nice bit of kit. It's a very effective garment steamer and works very well. As always, I appreciate you for tuning into my reviews. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Hopefully this video lets you make a good decision about what type of travel garment steamer might be right for you. Thanks so much. Bye.